Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's a quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you on how to resolve if you're coming across a Grand Theft Auto B issue or error, and this says alert, connections to the session lost due to an unknown network error. Please return to the Grand Theft Auto B and try again. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a web browser and go to the Rockstar support website. So ilalagay ko yan sa description box para mas madali na lang puntahan. And then open lang natin ang ating Chrome web browser. And then kailangan mo lang i-search itong web address ng support Rockstar Games. And the next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung Grand Theft Auto Online. Alright, so if there is a green dot beside the platform name, this means the services are working. Otherwise, if red color, the server is down. So makikita mo dito, under dito lang sa Grand Theft Auto Online ay naka-green lahat. So ibig sabihin ay okay po yung kanyang server. So, but if it's color red, so down po yung server niya. Okay? So, i-click mo lang dito yung app na to mga kaibigan, or Grand Theft Auto Online. Alright, so after dito, and the other solution na pwede natin gawin is to manually set the DNS. Kung paano ba yun natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung control panel. And then, i-click mo lang dito yung open. And dito lang sa upper right side ay kailangan mo lang i-click yung arrow na yan, and then select mo lang dito yung category. And dito sa category settings, and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung network and internet. So i-click mo lang yan. And dito sa network and internet, so dito sa right side ay kailangan mo lang i-tap dito yung network and sharing center. So i-click mo lang yan. And next step, so click on your active network connections. So kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung network active connection natin. So makikita mo dito yung ating Wi-Fi, and then kailangan mo lang i-click yan. And next step, so dito lang sa ating PC status and general settings, and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung properties dito sa baba. So click mo lang yan. And dito sa ating networking properties, so dito lang sa disconnections uses the following items ay kailangan lang natin i-select dito yung Internet Protocol version 6 TCP/IPv6. So i-click mo lang yan. And dito lang sa right side ay makita mo dito sa baba yung properties. So i-click mo lang yan. And dito lang sa kanyang Internet Protocol versions properties, under dito sa general, and then select mo lang dito yung use the following DNS server address, kasi kailangan natin itong i-manually set yung DNS. So click mo lang yan. And then dito lang sa kanyang preferred DNS servers, so kailangan natin i-enter itong 8.8.8.8. And then next step, dito lang sa alternate DNS server ay kailangan natin i-enter dito yung 8.8.4.4. So, kailangan mo lang i-enter dito yung prepared DNS server 8.8.8.8, and then dito sa alternate DNS server naman ay 8.8.4.4, and then i-click mo lang dito yung OK. Is to configure the ipconfig flash DNS. Alright, so all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung CMD, or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And once na open mo na itong administrator command prompt, and then kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na ipconfig /flash DNS. So i-type mo lang yung command keyword na ipconfig space slash and flash DNS. That is one word, and press mo lang yung enter. And then successfully flash the DNS resolver cache. And the next command keyword na kailangan natin i-enter dito ay type mo lang yung NATSH space WANSAC space reset. So just type this command keyword NATSH space WANSAC space reset and then press enter. And then successfully reset the WANSAC catalog. And the next step ay kailangan lang natin mag-restart. So close lang natin itong CMD. And dito lang sa start menu and kailangan mo lang i-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix connections to the session loss due to an unknown network error in GTA B. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.